Hello everybody, how are you? Welcome back to Crochet Mart, very smart and unique ideas. We will share creative and inspiring tips for crocheting. Today's video is all about crochet hand gloves. So we'll be going over some techniques and considerations to help you to choose the perfect design and color scheme for your hands. Dear viewers, if you still not subscribe the channel, please subscribe now so that you can find new collection for crocheting. And also don't forget to share and like the video so that your friends also can watch such type of unique and beautiful videos. Here are some benefits of crochet hand gloves. First one is keep hands warm and cozy. Soft and gentle on skin, customizable to fit your hand size and style. Make a great gift for friends and family. Affordable and budget friendly. Eco-friendly and sustainable. Sustainability is a major reason why people are approaching to crocheting. Eco-friendly and sustainable, durable and long-lasting, can be made with various yarn type and colors. You can choose the colors by yourself by own desires. Suitable for all seasons. Easy to care for and wash. Provides grip and traction. Protects hand from cold weather. Comfortable for everyday wear. Can be worn as a fashion statement. Keeps fingers mobile and flexible. Sports hand health and wellness. Can be made with therapeutic yarn for added benefits. Helps with hand dexterity and coordination. Provides a sense of security and comfort. Can be worn for outdoor activities. Dear viewers, if you really love to watch this video, don't forget to share and like so that your friends also can watch such type of unique and beautiful video. Can be worn for outdoor activities. Makes a great accessories for customs or uniforms. Can be personalized with names or initials. Offers a unique and handmade touch. Can be made with different stitch patterns and designs. Show love and care in every stitch. Some additional benefits of crochet hand gloves includes helping to improve circulations and blood flow, providing a barrier against wind and cold weather, supporting hand and wrist health, offering a stylish and fashionable way to keep hands warm. Making a great gift for outdoor or anyone who loves to stay cozy. Dear viewers, here is one thing which is very beautiful and perfect for my dear viewers. If you have anyone beloved friend and you wanna give some special gift so that he can remember that till death, you can make a crocheting. Whatever you want to make or whatever you know to make, you can create by your own hands, and you can make a great picking for his friend. I promise, once your friend received your gift, he will be happy. Really, he will not forget your gift till death. I promise, really. So try your best to make something like that so that your friend can get happy because of you. Overall, crochet hand gloves are a wonderful way to keep your hands warm, comfortable, and stylish. Dear viewers, with the happy ending today's video, hope we'll meet you in next video with another very smart and unique idea. Thank you very much for watching our videos. Bye bye. See you.